Hey guys, this is Hockey Knife Reviews, and today we're going to review the Leatherman Wave and the Leatherman Skeletool CX. First off, I really like the Wave. It's a good multi-tool. Today we're behind my dad's shop where he restores cars for people. We're just going to test out some of these tools. But first we'll show you all the tools. Right now mine's pretty dirty. I changed some fuel lines on my Trans Am. They're 35 years old, so they were pretty bad. And I fell out of my pocket riding four-wheelers. Now there's dirt jammed up all in there, but it's getting better. But there's the pliers. And first I should say, the reason why this multi-tool is so popular is the four main tools really are usable on the outside. You have the serrated blade, which I use a lot more than I thought I would. Then you got the knife blade, came decent edge. 420 HC, which is good enough for me because I'm probably going to carry another knife on me when I carry this. Saw blade, which is a pretty good saw. And the file, which has the wood file, the metal file, and the notching file on the bottom. All these tools lock into place with a liner lock. And that opened it up. You got the needle nose pliers, the wire cutters, the little ruler, not exact, but it'll do. It's 8 inches and 19 centimeters. So, inside we got the screwdriver, the Phillips and straight. You can get the bit extender and the bit kit from Leatherman. I might do that. You also got the can opener and the wire strippers. The can opener is pretty good because it's nice and sharp. The wire strippers are also pretty good. You got the scissors. Pretty good scissors. You have the small screwdriver, if I can get it out, for like eyeglasses and stuff. You can pull this out, and there's the Phillips and then you also got this straight head screwdriver, which I don't really use much. And that's all the tools on this. The sheath for it is it has the pocket for the back for the bit kit, and then it's got another pocket for the bit extender, and it's got another one. I don't really know if they have any other extenders or anything, but it's got two. Alright, for the Leatherman Skeletool CX, I'm sorry. Start out with the blade. Yeah, it's 154 cm and serrated and flat right there. Has a screwdriver, 2 different sizes of Phillips, and on the inside right here, pops out, kind of convenient. There's 2 different size flatheads. This slides right in there. If I can get it in. There it is. The screwdriver for this thing, I mean, it's kind of awkward using, but it's still there, of course, but I don't know. The pocket clip, carabiner, and bottle opener. Pliers, wire strippers, pretty sturdy, and that's pretty much it for this. The sheath for it is pretty much the same thing, it just doesn't have the pockets. I left mine at my house. So. Now we're just going to do some testing with it. The serrated blade, here's some rope. It was longer, but we had to redo the video, so. I didn't do a good job cutting there. I didn't really put enough pressure on it, but usually it cuts through very well.
It's about half inch rope.
This was longer, but of course we had to redo it. Seat belt. This thing's a really good seat belt cutter. You can slide it in without worrying having to cut yourself. So that's nice. Here's some rope. Some hose. Got through pretty good. Now we'll test out the screwdriver. I'm just holding them on. Just tighten it back up now. And it'll also fit this one. I would show you the straight head screwdriver, but I mean it's pretty. I'll show you one. This. And like I said, how it makes it awkward because you have to hold it out, and you can kind of see how awkwardly shaped that is holding it. And you guys like the Wave, you can't close it and use it that way because the lanyard hole. I forgot to mention the lanyard hole, but yeah, that's right there. But that gets in the way, so you do have to open it. Open it up like that. Try it out here. So awkward, but it still works. And you can tilt it sideways to get a little bit more torque out of it if you're really fighting a screw. And one thing that I did forget to mention is that there is a couple different, I think there's 2 different models. One's the CX, and I don't exactly know what that means. I think it means carbon fiber because there's carbon fiber right here, but I'm not 100% on that. So. And also on the CX, the blade is 154 cm. Yep. Now we'll test out the knife blade. Pretty nice, but like I said, usually if I'm carrying this, I'll have my Kershaw blur on me, so. And since this is half serrated, it does make it a little bit of a struggle. But with that 154 cm blade, comes nice and sharp and nice blade. Normally we don't like serrated knives, but we got this thing at a swap meet for 30 bucks because this guy wanted to get rid of them. So, and he didn't have any straight edge, so we got these and can't complain. Can't complain. This is what, a $85, $90 knife, something like that. And serrations are kind of nice on that because there's no serrated blades, so I mean, that's more of an everyday carry. Yep, it's got the pocket clip. It's a little bit lighter. This is more if you want to put in a kit, or you can carry it on you. Like I have my sheath on me right now, but if you don't like a lot of weight, to me it doesn't bother me. But for the wire strippers, this is also a can opener, which got a little bit of wire off of this. And I will show you the wire cutters too. Cut a little bit off. Really nice. Okay, the wire strippers are gonna be hard to use because this is so short, but the wire is so short, but yeah, it's really hard to use because it's so short. It's getting it off, but it does work. When you get a longer wire and you can actually hold it good, it'll go right through it, so don't worry about that if that's a deal breaker for you. We don't really have much back here for the scissors to cut. I guess I could get a blade of grass or something like that. Here's some big ones. Good scissors. I guess I could show you on paper if we had some, so we don't. The locks on this are really good. It really snaps in there. You can hear it. Really nice to have locks on a multi-tool. It's kind of what I look for when I'm buying one, along with a good blade, because like I said, I don't use the blade, but if I do for some reason just have this on me, I want a good blade. It's kind of like what Adam from Equip to Endure said, if you're looking for a tool with a knife or knife with tools. I forgot to mention too, the Skeletool, it does have a line locker right here. So, not going to close up on you. Nice and sturdy. No play. The wire cutters with the pliers. Ooh. Yeah, there it goes. You can find the multi-tool, the Skeletool for about 85, I think, is around there somewhere. The regular version is probably about 50. The Wave, I got mine for 75, but I bought mine at Lowe's because I didn't feel like waiting and ordering it. But you can find them for around 65, around in there. But I just wanted to get mine now. You can get a lot of things for these. You can get the bit extenders, the bit kit. I think you can buy new blades. You can buy a pocket clip for this, which I'm going to get because I really want that. And like we said, we got this for 30 bucks though, so it's a really good deal. Yeah. We were gonna show you the guys the Leatherman Blast today, but Kyle decided to leave his at home. So I don't know if they even make that anymore because I didn't see it on their website. These are really good multi-tools. I really like to have a multi-tool on me. You back in the woods and you're riding four-wheelers or you break something and you don't have any tools. Really nice to have. It's not gonna have everything, but it's nice to have these few tools on you. These go in my EDC kit. I just have the Max Edition pouch. We don't know if we're gonna do a review on that, but if you want to see it, just ask.
Leave a comment.
I think I'm forgetting something again. I always do this, but if I remember, I'll put it in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Hockey Knife Reviews. Please like, if you have any questions, ask, and please subscribe. Check out other videos. Thanks for watching.